Hey everyone, and welcome to day 4 of the core challenge. I hope you're feeling good and strong, that you've learned new things, and maybe you're showing your friends your new movements for your core. And then again, remember, if it's not hard enough for you and you do core work all the time, do this video 2 to 3 times and I guarantee the workout will get harder and harder. All right, we're gonna start in our backs this time, so let's go ahead and get set up. Legs are long in front of you. Good, I want you to take your tailbone, root it down, which we've been working on, okay? From there, you're gonna bend your right knee and plant your foot, flex your left foot. Extend your right arm over your head, exhale, foot to hand. Lower, foot to hand, lower. Good, really use this bottom left palm as a stabilizer, and if that's really hard, bend your knee to your chest. So option 1, and then option 2. Good. Let's do 4, 3, 2, 1 more, come up. Nice, lower down, switch sides. Right leg long, exhale, bend left knee and plant the foot. Flex the right foot. Place your right hand next to you, left arm overhead. Exhale, up and down. Option 1, bend the knee. Option 2, reach and touch. Good. Lift. Try not to just come up a little bit, guys. You want to come up high into the air. Nice. 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Come on, come on. 1. Good. Stay here for me. Now, what I want you to do here is keep your chest nice and strong. Pick up those feet and hold. Good, so finding that nice strong hold, we're gonna lower halfway down to the ground, bend your knees if you need to. You're holding 3, it's a hover, 2, lay flat, return, hover, come back up. I'll show you option 1, let's do it together. Ready, set, go. Hover, use your hands, or here, 3, 2, put your feet down, put your head down. Your hover is here, and then we all, ready? Come back up. Let's do that one more time. Hover low, good, firm, 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 3, 2, exhale, flat, hover, 4, 3, 2, ready? Up and hold, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job, guys. Let's go to plank pose. Top of that push-up for me. So step it back, high plank, nice and strong. Good. Now, yesterday we worked with side plank on the forearm. So here's side plank on the palm. You'll bring it in, you'll scissor, you'll reach. Now the bottom right knee, tap, tap, tap. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, now center hold. Let's do side 2, left hand to center, exhale, scissor, reach up to the top right palm. Tap, tap. Good. Feel your legs work here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Exhale, back to center. High plank hold. Good. Tighten that stomach. Bring your knees right to the center. So not out to the side, not crossing, knee to chest. This is a very slow mountain climber. Now pulse and pulse. Good. Pulse and pulse. You've got 4, step back, 3, step back, 2, step back, 1, step back. Good, put those knees down, lower. This time what I want you to do is take those arms forward and we're gonna lift torso up. We're gonna bend and squeeze your elbows. We're gonna reach forward, bend, come down. So lift, squeeze, come on, long arms, return, down. 4 more. Lift up, bend elbows, squeeze them in real tight, reach out, bring it in, down. Lift, squeeze really tight, reach forward, return, last 2. Up, squeeze, forward, return, down, up, squeeze, forward, return, down. Nice job, guys. Lay on your side for me. Bottom hand lays low, top arm over your head. So I'm on my left shoulder, my left arm is long, it's not here, it's down here, belly button hand. Top arm overhead. Option 1, bend your knees. Elbow touches, hand touches. Option 2, toes. Good. Let's do 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, up and hold. Switch sides. So my right shoulder comes down. You can just roll over, by the way. And then your hand lowers. Top arm overhead. Exhale, up, up, up. Bend if you need to. Let's do 8, 7, get up off the ground. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Good job, guys. Hands and knees right here for the finish. So super strong, tight in the stomach, a bear crawl. So this is a different kind of core work. You wanna hover, walk, hold, walk back, slow, slow, slow. Yes, forward, 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 forward. Keep your back flat, stay low to the ground. Forward, forward, forward. One more time, we go back. 2, 3, hover, forward, 2, 3, 1. Good job, drop those knees. Put your forearms down on the ground. I'm gonna invite Dolphin Push-Ups in, so lift your butt. Good, exhale, chest forward and back. Getting the shoulders and upper back involved as well as the core. So we did this when we did our army crawl, right? But now we're adding movement in the torso. Nice, we've got 8, back, 7, back, 6, good job, 5, let's go, 4, nice, 3, press back, 2, 1 more, come forward, hold, 3, 2, 1, push back. Now try to lift a leg, maybe lift it all the way up, hold, 4, come on, shake, 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 3, 2, switch legs, come on, you're done here, 4, 3, 2, now walk your body back so that you're in a forearm plank. We have our last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, that workout is over in 5, 4, 3, 2, you did it, guys. Nice job. Day 4, boom, it's done. That was your air high five. Can't wait to join me for 4, 5, 6. Every video will release for you at the same time, so hope you're having fun. Again, repeat it if it's easy. If it's challenging, send me questions. I'll have answers. Good job, guys. See you later.